Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Bappa, the channel where I share honest travel experiences, real hotel reviews, and simple storytelling from all around the world. If you love authentic travel vibes, straightforward opinions, and peaceful visual journeys, then you're in the right place. Today's episode is special. It's about one of Bangkok's most legendary riverside luxury hotels. Today, we are stepping into a world where luxury meets tradition, where modern elegance blends with Thai heritage, and where every sunrise feels like a painting over the calm waters of the Phraya River. Yes, welcome to the Peninsula Bangkok, one of the most iconic and prestigious hotels in all of Thailand. In the next 15 minutes, I will take you through the rooms, suites, restaurants, spa, pool, special services, and the unforgettable experiences that make this hotel a true riverside landmark. So sit back, relax, and let's begin the journey. As you arrive at the hotel, the first thing that captures your attention is the grand driveway, golden lighting, polished marble floors, and staff greeting you with a warm Sawadee Ka, or Sawadee Krub. The peninsula is known for its flawless hospitality, and from the moment you step in, the hotel makes sure you feel like royalty. The lobby is spacious, elegant, and calm. No noise, no rush, just soft music and a scent that instantly relaxes your mind. Guests can also arrive by private peninsula boat, a beautiful wooden craft gliding across the river, giving you a cinematic first impression of the hotel. The check-in process was quick. The staff welcomed me with warm smiles and a refreshing lemongrass drink. In the very first minute, I felt like, okay, this is going to be a memorable stay. Let's begin with the room. I stayed in the Grand Deluxe room, and trust me, it's spacious, warm, and beautifully designed. The Peninsula Bangkok has some of the largest rooms in the city, designed to give you a warm, home-like comfort with luxury touches. Deluxe rooms. Floor-to-ceiling windows open to breathtaking river views. A comfortable king bed with Peninsula's signature linen. Automated bedside controls for lights and curtains. A spacious marble bathroom with separate shower and deep soaking tub. You get a luxurious, king-size bed, soft ambient lighting, a work desk facing the river, automated controls for lights, curtains, temperature, complimentary fruit basket, and giant windows with a panoramic Chao Phraya river view. Morning light through those windows is magical. Night view, even better. The bathroom has a deep soaking tub, separate shower, high-end toiletries, a built-in TV so you can watch something while relaxing in the tub. Everything feels premium, well-maintained, and comfortable. Everything is arranged with perfection, from the wooden interiors to the elegant Thai decor elements. For me, the room is a solid 9 out of 10. Grand Deluxe and balcony rooms. If you choose a balcony room, mornings become magical. Imagine sipping coffee while boats pass slowly through the river. Bangkok wakes up right in front of your eyes. Suites. Now let's talk about the suites. These are on another level. Separate living room, large bedroom, walk-in wardrobe, dedicated workspace, panoramic river views, luxury bathrooms with TV by the bathtub, 24/7 butler assistants for top-tier suites. The higher you go, the better the skyline view gets, especially at night, when the river lights reflect like thousands of diamonds.
By the river where the night winds blow, Chao Phraya whispers soft and slow. Bangkok dreams beneath the sky, calling me trail. Bangkok lights are sparkling low. Peninsula nights feel warm and slow. Simple Bappa is on the go, chasing memories where the soft waves flow. In the lobby, soft smiles stay. Welcome drinks wash stress away. By the pool, the moonlight glows. Peace and wonder gently grows. A quiet book cuts through the night. City reflections shimmering bright. Every turn, every hidden lane feels like magic calling my name. City skies a midnight blue. Wash the day with something new. Travel's not just where we roam, it's every story we take back home. Bangkok lights are sparkling low. Peninsula nights feel warm and slow. Simple Bappa, you already know. Through the camera's eye, the world begins to glow.
Now, the come-about hotel facilities. The Peninsula doesn't just offer a room, it offers a complete lifestyle experience. The fitness center is huge, modern, and river-facing, perfect for anyone who loves calm workouts. The spa has a mix of Thai traditions and modern therapy. A bit pricey, but incredibly relaxing. They also have lounges, a business center, and meeting spaces. One of the highlights of the hotel is the Peninsula Spa, located inside a beautiful Thai colonial-style building. As soon as you enter, the aromatic scent, slow music, and wooden interiors soothe every sense. Signature treatments include Thai massage, aromatherapy, Ayurvedic therapies, hot stone treatment, stress relief packages, couples spa rituals. The spa uses natural oils, healing techniques, and trained therapists to give you the perfect relaxation experience. Guests can also enjoy sauna, steam rooms, relaxation lounges, private treatment suites, and then there's the unique part, the hotel's private shuttle boats that take you across the river right into the heart of the city.
This is simple Bappa, songs of roads and tales of far.
Now this is something special. Let's move to one of the most photogenic parts of the hotel. The Peninsula's 88-meter, three-tier Riverside pool. Long, beautiful, and surrounded by palm trees, this pool area looks like a tropical paradise right in the middle of Bangkok. It's peaceful, beautifully designed, and probably one of the best pool experiences in Bangkok. The staff constantly brings water, cool towels, and small snacks. The view of boats passing by the river creates a dreamy backdrop. If you love poolside relaxation, this pool alone makes the stay worth it. There are sunbeds with river views, private poolside cabanas, a bar serving refreshing drinks, attentive staff ready to bring towels, water, or cold towels. The best time to come is around sunset. The golden light reflects on the river, and the whole place turns into a postcard moment. Let's talk about food. The complimentary breakfast buffet here is massive and full of variety. My favorites were fresh tropical fruits, chicken dim sum, salmon and eggs, homemade pastries, and excellent coffee. The lobby restaurant offers Thai dishes with live music, a truly serene atmosphere. For dinner, the Thai specialties like Tom Yum and Pad Thai tasted authentic and fresh. Prices are on the higher side, but the quality matches the cost. Food at the Peninsula is not just a meal, it's an experience. There are 4 restaurant in the hotel. Number 1. The River Cafe and Terrace, perfect for breakfast. You can sit by the river, feel the morning breeze, and choose from international dishes, Thai breakfasts, dim sum, pastries, fruit bowls, juices, and more. Number 2. The Lobby, a peaceful place for afternoon tea or light snacks. Huge pillars, soft live music, and classic luxury vibes. Number 3. Thiptara, Thai restaurant. If you want an authentic Thai dinner under the stars, this is the place. Wooden pavilions, candlelight, and traditional dishes cooked with heritage recipes. Number 4. Meijiang, the peninsula's famous Cantonese restaurant. A must-visit for dim sum lovers. Food quality is exceptional in every corner of this hotel. Presentation, freshness, and flavors, everything is premium. The food rating is 8.5 out of 10.
By the river where the night winds blow, Chao Phraya whispers soft and slow. Bangkok dreams beneath the sky, calling me to come and try. Neon colors paint the air, tuk-tuks racing everywhere. Peninsula windows shining bright, river stories dancing in the night. Distant lights across the stream pull me in like a drifting dream. Every corner holds a tale, and I'm here to follow the trail. Bangkok lights are sparkling low, Peninsula nights feel warm and slow. Simple Bappa dies on the go, chasing memories where the soft waves flow. Soft smile, stay welcome. Drinks wash stress away. By the pool the moonlight glows, peace and wonder gently grows. A quiet boat cuts through the night, city reflections shimmering bright. Every turn, every hidden lane feels like magic calling my name. The day with something.
Now tell about the unique services and special experiences. The Peninsula Bangkok offers experiences that make your stay truly memorable. 1. Peninsula Boat Shuttle. One of my favorite parts of staying here was using the hotel's private boat. During sunset, the ride becomes magical. Soft golden light, calm waves, and Bangkok's skyline turning into glitter. It's romantic, relaxing, and unforgettable. A free shuttle boat connects the hotel to the opposite side of the river. A fun, scenic ride every time. 2. Cooking classes. Learn how to make authentic Thai dishes. 3. Luxury car service Rolls, Royce, BMW limousines, and exclusive transfers. 4. Fitness and yoga. Riverside yoga sessions during sunrise feel refreshing and peaceful. 5. Peninsula Academy programs, cultural tours, heritage experiences, Muay Thai learning, and art workshops. Every activity is designed to give guests a deeper connection with Thai culture. Location advantage. 2 minutes. The peninsula is located right beside the Chao Phraya River, making it one of the best connected luxury hotels in Bangkok. Close to Icon Siam, Asiatique, Wat Arun, Grand Palace, Chinatown, major shopping and dining spots. Boat connectivity makes travel smooth, even during busy traffic hours. Why the peninsula is special. 2.5 minutes. There are many luxury hotels in Bangkok, but the peninsula stands apart because of exceptional hospitality, riverside peaceful atmosphere, large rooms with stunning views, world-class dining, beautiful pool, traditional Thai elegance with modern comfort, consistency in service for years. This hotel doesn't just give you a stay, it gives you memories, moments, and a feeling of home away from home. Price range and who should stay here. 2 minutes. Room prices vary depending on season. Deluxe rooms, higher mid-range luxury. Balcony suites, upper-tier luxury. Top suites, ultra-luxury, premium travelers, perfect for couples, honeymooners, families, solo travelers seeking comfort, business travelers who prefer peace and privacy. If budget allows, this is one of the best places to experience Bangkok in style. Now tell about location advantage of the hotel. Even though the hotel is located beside the river, reaching the city is very easy. You take the free shuttle boat for 2 minutes, and from the opposite pier, you can access malls, the metro, and local street food spots. It's the perfect balance between peaceful and practical. Now question, is the hotel value for money? Is it worth the price? If you're looking for calm luxury, relaxation, comfort, and world-class service, then absolutely yes. For couples, honeymooners, and slow travelers, it's perfect. And that brings our journey of the Peninsula Bangkok to an end. A hotel that combines elegance, Thai culture, and world-class service. A hotel where every moment feels special. A hotel that sits proudly on the banks of the beautiful Chao Phraya River. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More luxury travel videos are coming soon. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep exploring the world.
By the river where the warm winds blow, Bangkok glitters in a golden glow. Night is falling on the city smile, and the fountain dances for a little while. Water rising like a silver wave, catching lights the evening gave. Every splash becomes a spark, painting colors in the dark. And I stand there letting time slow down, city beating like a living sound. Every heartbeat feels so near, the river sings, you're welcome